back to my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. Today my topic is an epsilon neighborhood of a point. What is an epsilon neighborhood of a point? We'll see now. Epsilon neighborhood of a point means if A belongs to R, epsilon greater than 0 is a real number, then the set S is called epsilon neighborhood of a S set X such that X belongs to R and X minus modulus of X minus A is less than epsilon. Here A belongs to real number, epsilon, I am taking one element. A belongs to real number, epsilon greater than 0. Then the set S is called, then the set S is subset of real number now, and S is called epsilon neighborhood of a point A. When we'll call it as an X such that S is equal to X such that X belongs to real number. I am taking one X belongs to real number and mod X minus A is less than epsilon. Mod X minus A must be less than epsilon. Here modulus means what will get positive and negative. X minus A is lies between minus epsilon plus epsilon. Okay. Again, what we can write here? A minus epsilon less than X less than A plus epsilon. Here minus A is there. When we will get here, what will get? Positive. Here also we will get positive. X lies between A minus epsilon, A plus epsilon. X belongs to where? It belongs to, X belongs to A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon. This is called epsilon neighborhood of a point A. I think you have understood what is an epsilon neighborhood of a point. We will denote it with, we will denote it with epsilon neighborhood of A. Like this also we can denote it. And another one we can denote it epsilon neighborhood of A. Like this also we can denote it. Another form we can denote it n of epsilon comma A, means neighborhood of epsilon comma A. Like that also we can denote it. In three forms we can denote it. Here if I tell example, you can understand. I am telling half neighborhood of 3. Like that they will give means what we can write. What is the formula? A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon. Here what is an A and what is an epsilon? This is an epsilon. This is an A. Okay. Here what will get? 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2. And 3 minus 1 by 2 means what will get? 3 to the 6 minus 1. 5 by 2 comma 7 by 2. This is about half neighborhood of 3 if they are given like that. Another form also they will give. N of 0.1 of 2. If they are given like this, what is an A, what is an epsilon? It is in the form of like this. What is an? This is an epsilon, this is an A. What is the formula? A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon. What is an A here? 2 minus 0.1, 2 plus 0.1. What will get? 1.9, here 2.1. This is also, we can write again what, in the form of what we can write? N of 0.1 comma 2. Like this also we can denote it. I think you have understood what is an epsilon neighborhood of a point. Thank you.